But we'll show you another watch. Another wind-up vintage watch. Lovely condition. Lovely strap as well with it. Is it? Show you another one again. Lovely condition. I'll show you another one. It's like a walkthrough one. Lovely. These are quite rare, hard to get hold of. I already showed you one today, but here's another one. Oh, it's a wind-up one. Lovely condition. I'll show you another one of those. Another wind-up one. See these three? They're all similar. All wind-up ones, but different colours. Show you another one now. Lovely. All lovely wind-up watches. Lovely one. And lovely. Lovely watch. Another lovely watch. Nice and pretty how it's all shaped. Another wind-up vintage watch. Lovely. Anything to say about this one? No? I'll show you another one. You can see the wind-up watch, the ticker at the bottom moving. Can you see it moving? Lovely condition. Another lovely wind-up watch. Lovely. Here's another one. Nice vintage wind-up watch. Here's another one again. Here's another one. With the Times wind-up watch. I'll show you another one again. Maybe another little one. These ones are women watches now. I'll show you one at a time. Lovely. Here's another one. Another woman watch. Nice pretty straps. Another one again. And one last one. Another pretty watch. Now I'm going to show you. Hey, can you see all those? It's loads in there. There's loads. You can see they're all in brilliant condition. The one's done by here, all the way across. Got the big one in the box, the Rolex. Loads of lovely, they're all wind-ups. They're all men watches apart from these. At the bottom by here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 women ones. And all the rest are men watches. All vintage. all wind up, all in working condition, works perfectly. So thank you for watching.